Africa by Toto. This is highly requested, and if we play this with a capo at the 4th fret, it can be a relatively straightforward song, though there is a lot of structure. There's unavoidable bar chords, and we also have this hammer-on flick-off riff, which I think makes this song quite signature, so it would be great to add that, and therefore this is appropriate for people that are comfortable with bar chords and with hammer-ons and flick-offs. If you can do that, you can do this song. Let's get in for the close-up now and learn this fantastic tune. So the first chord we have is an F chord, and I'm actually going to play it like this, keeping it as similar to the A minor as possible, which is actually a full F chord, but we're actually going to leave the thinnest string ringing out, which makes it an F major 7. E minor next, and A minor after that. And I'm only really strumming from string 2 to string 6. One more time. With the strumming that is down, up, 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 down, down, down. Then the hammer-ons riff, while hopefully keeping the A ringing out. It is that repeated. It's essentially repeated 3 times and then there's an ending. So that is 3rd fret, flick off to 1st finger at 1st fret. Pick 2nd fret, flick off and back down. And that's the 5 notes that repeat. Repeated. Finishing with the same 2 notes that started that riff. So in total, and in tab that should read 3 1 2 0 2 3 1 2 0 2 3 1 2 0 2 3 1. So just 3 1 2 0 2 repeated 3 times, and then 3 1 at the end. This would repeat 4 times in total. And then we're into the verses. The chords for the verse are G major, B minor 7, avoids a bar chord there, E minor, G, F, A minor, E minor, and then the riff again. When this repeats on the chord sheet I'm following, we don't have the A minor. And I'll leave that chord sheet down below. So, chord progression, G. I hear drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. Same again, but without the A minor, and replace that A minor with a G. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlight wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man. This is the same thing now repeated 3 times. So, I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find old forgotten words of ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, so slight change here, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. And then we get to the chorus. The strumming pattern I'd use for this. This is down, up, mute, up, down. That's my recommendation. Many strumming patterns will work. You find your favourite. With the chord progression, 2, 3, 4. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlight wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. Melodies. Last one. He turns to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. Then we get to the chorus. Same strumming pattern, D minor. I think it's a lot easier to play the B flat sus2 or A sharp sus2, but I'd say B flat in this key. F and then C. Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. Leads to an easier change. Sounds really cool. Leads to an easier change to a full F bar chord, which is what I'd recommend here. 2, 3, 4. Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Take some time to do the things we never change here. Head, that's A minor, C, D minor, briefly to C, back to the riff. So that last line again is D minor, gonna take some time to do the things we never. A minor, C, D minor, C. Chorus with that strumming pattern now, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. Down in Africa, gonna take some time to do the things we never had. And it's basically a repetition of all of that. Again, let's have a look at that from the start up to there. From the intro, 2, 3, 4. Drums echoing tonight. She hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlight rings reflect the guide that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. 3, 4, gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. It's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. That's How to Play Africa by Toto. I'll leave another couple of lessons on screen now that I think you might enjoy, and let me know any songs you want to request in the comments below and we'll get them filmed.